In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the IDM is corrupted error. The only way to resolve this issue is to uninstall IDM from your computer and then reinstall it. To do this, open your Start menu and type Add or Remove Apps. In the search bar, type Internet Download Manager and click on it. Then, the Uninstall button will appear. Click on Uninstall and follow the prompts. Ensure that the Full option is selected during uninstallation. After uninstalling IDM, restart your computer to complete the process. Once your computer has restarted, visit the official IDM website at internetdownloadmanager.com and click on the Download button. Download the executable .exe file. After the download is complete, run the .exe file. Choose your preferred language and click OK. Accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next through the installation process. IDM will be reinstalled on your computer, and the IDM is corrupted error should no longer occur. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.